Hey guys, welcome back to JK Cars, and today we're going to be installing the shifter boot and the new shifter knob. Alright, so I am doing this one at night because this is the only time I have to do it, so hopefully you guys are able to see properly. First thing we're going to need is 2 tongue compressors, or popsicle sticks, whatever you want to call them. A regular Phillips head flathead screwdriver. So for this step, put the emergency brake on and drop the car into drive. So what we're going to want to do is put these tongue compressors into this side, and this step is kind of just for this specific shifter. Other car models, they make it easy. You can literally just pop the bottom cap down and then get to this next step. But for this one, tongue compressors there, and with the flathead, just pry it down from the back. Try not to damage it. You can throw it back into park. Don't get rid of the e-brake, just for safety reasons. So what we're going to do is go with our screwdriver, take these screws out. Remember, always keep your stock parts, so make sure you don't lose these. Placing down right to the side, and this part is just going to pop right off. I can pop this part off as well. I'm not going to put these together yet, just in case this does not want to work. But no matter what, I'm going to show you. So then, probably go with the flathead again. And again, this step is partially for this car specifically. Pop this up. I'm gonna grab the shifter boot. And yeah, like I said, the boot that I got is pretty damn big, and the chances of this fitting are practically none at all. But let's see if it actually will work. Come on, we almost got it. Get you, want to get this done. Okay, so now that we got that settled, I'll bring that back up to park. And now it is shifter time. Alright, so we're gonna grab the new shifter, gonna place it on top. It's a little loose. Most of these come with an actual sizing boot, so that way you don't run into this issue, but this one doesn't. So we're gonna have to figure that out. So that piece goes there. And now, we can see if this will work, but I'll be honest, I can't guarantee anything. Okay, so I ended up finding the cap to a package of old pencil lead, and it's roughly about the same shape, and it's pretty damn durable, so it will fit in there and work. But I want the security to be as best as it possibly can be, so this isn't, again, this is not the best idea, but to secure it, I'm grabbing some electrical tape, drying that area off, just that way there's little to no grease. Tack it there. Leave the open end facing up, so that's going in the actual shift knob itself. Just to keep it a little extra secure. And heck, I'll even add some tape around it just to be extra safe. Trim that. Boom. That's set. Place that down. I think it might be a little too big now. I should have shaven it down. Alright. So, now I'm just gonna, we already have the fitment made, so I'm just gonna thicken it up a little bit more with some more tape. Alright, so this part's fixed and set. But I'm going to try and trim it down a little bit. Let's fit this back on top. Now shifter, test, still a little too high, so we're going to do this a little bit longer. I'll be right back. So now we're going to try and reattach it. It is sitting a little bit on the high side, but we should be fine. So, again, we're just going to tack these in, just so that way we have them. We're now threading it from the bottom one. Sleeve up, boom, shifter boot sitting pretty. Now, since we're in e-brake, put it in drive, bring it all down, bring it all the way back up. We got the e-brake, so we're good. Put it in drive for right now. Now we're gonna try and finalize the boot. So make sure all of it is tucked in as best as you can get it, because you want it to look good. You don't want it to look like just a awkward bag sitting down, but you also want it to be able for the piece or the cover to go back in place. So you're gonna have to play around with it a little bit just to make sure it all fits back. Alright, so I figured it out and boom. I'm happy with the result. This isn't as tight as it could be. I might have to pick up a secondary part to modify a bit, just that way I get a little bit more room in the edges, so that way it fits there nicely and I have no problems. Alright, we're back inside and I'm very iffy on the whole process of what just happened. The shift knob is fine. It took a little tweaking and I guess engineering, I guess you can say, to actually get it how we want it. But it's good. It's in working condition. It functions perfectly. And like I said, since it's an automatic, it's not like you're constantly going to be touching it or whatever. So there's no need to worry too much about the handle just popping off with that situation. The boot, like I said, I was able to push down just that extra bit further so the cap would go on top, but I do want to purchase another cap piece that I can break the inner edge down a little bit, just that way there's more room for it to actually sit down properly. Because again, don't want to damage any stock parts. Really liking the feel of the other stuff from the past videos, but just that little extra thing that I just put in, I just can't wait. So I'll see you guys later, and peace.